And then the next thing that we need to do is that we need to get the current window and close it. And the easiest way to do so is by using the Windows class from Google Chrome APIs, which is chrome.windows.getCurrent. And what this getCurrent does is that it gets the current window. And it takes two parameters. The first one is an object, and the second one is a callback function with Windows object or window object. And the first parameter, I'm going to leave it empty because we don't need to pass anything. The second parameter, which is the callback function, what we need to do with it is that we need to get the ID of the current opened window by using the window here and then ID. So here, if I use the window.id, I'm going to get the ID of the current opened window. And in order to use it, we need to use the remove function also from the Windows class. I'm going to use the chrome.windows.remove, and then it takes two parameters. The first parameter is the window ID that you want to remove, which is, in our case, which is the window.id. This one, this window.id. This is the first parameter. The second parameter is a callback function, which is not necessary. And that's it. With this, it's going to close the current window with all tabs within it. Another thing that we need to do is that we need to add the tabs permission here inside the permissions array. So here you need to add tabs. Don't forget this, because if you don't add the tabs here in the permissions, this function or these two functions, the Windows get current and the Windows remove, will not work. So you have to add the tabs here in the permissions array in the manifest.json file. One more thing is that inside the popup.js, after creating the alarm here, we need to tell the user that the alarm has begun. So I'm gonna use the alert here, and then I'm gonna say your session started, and then hurry up. So I'm gonna walk you through this quickly so that you know what I did. Here is the Windows class, and it has many functions or methods. And here, as you can see, it tells you that you need to add the tabs inside the permissions array. And also here, there are many methods. The method that I used here, the getCurrent, which here has a callback function of the function window. It takes a window as a parameter, and this window object has many properties, and the one that I used is the ID to get the current ID of the currently opened window. The second function or method that I used is the remove, which removes or closes a window and all tabs inside it. And it takes two parameters, the window ID as well as a callback function. And the callback function is optional. The window ID, we passed the window ID. Let's now test. So now if I refresh and click on the icon, and then let's say 1 minute, I need only 1 minute, and then start session. Your session started, hurry up. So I'm gonna wait for 1 minute.